What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Sneak Revival YouTube video. Today we're going to be reviewing a pair of shoes here. Before we get into that, I just want to ask everybody to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we drop a new YouTube video. If you want to support us further, head over to sneakrevival.com, shop our catalog of signature sneaker cleaning products. Use promo code REVIVAL at checkout for an additional 10% off. Again, thank you guys for the support and everything you do. That being said, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so this is the MB.03 Dexter's Laboratory that was released December 22nd, 2023. And this is LaMelo Ball's fourth official release of his MB.03 line, as well as his fourth collaboration with Cartoon Network. These shoes come in a special box with Cartoon Network, Dexter's Laboratory, Puma, and LaMelo Ball branding found on the box, along with characters from the show. This is LaMelo Ball's fourth collaboration with Cartoon Network, the first being the Rick and Morty collaboration where they did 3 shoe releases, the MB.01, the MB.02, and the MB.02 slides. And so now this is the fourth one, being the MB.03 Dexter's Laboratory. These come with custom laces that fit the theme of the shoe, along with a spare set of laces just like all the other MB.03s. Inside the right shoe, you can see DD on the inside of the tongue, and on the left shoe, you can see Dexter on the inside of the tongue, and Mandark as well on the inner fabric. This is the first MB.03 to mismatch the colors of the rare phrase that's found on the bottom of the shoes. The inside of the shoe, you can see they did a mismatch on the insoles, one being a blue and the other being a neon green. The description on the Puma website is LaMelo Ball combines with famous Cartoon Network, Dexter's Laboratory for this wild edition of his MB.03 basketball shoe. This MB.03 features all signature tech in the previous versions, like the responsive nitrogen-infused midsole and the grippy outsole for quick cuts up and down the court. Features include engineered mesh upper, TPU heel counter, trademark nitrofoam midsole, high abrasive non-slip rubber outsole, LaMelo Ball branding, and Dexter's Laboratory branding. Since the release of these Dexter's Laboratory MB.03s back in December, we've had 3 more MB.03s released, including the Chinese New Year on January 12th, the Porsche collab on February 17th, and the Blue Hives on February 23rd. Alright guys, so that'll do it for today's video on the MB.03 Dexter's Laboratory. Another great addition in the MB.03 collection, in my opinion. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Again, I just want to thank you guys for all your support. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.